Okay, hello everybody. My name is Teacher Esteban, and today we are going to be talking about shapes and colors. First of all, welcome to your English class, and I'm very happy to have you here one more time. Today we are going to be talking about shapes and colors, and also we will be focusing on the verb to be. So I have the purposes of today's class, which will be that by the end of the class, you will be able to use the verb to be to describe singular and plural nouns, which are objects, and talk about their color and shape. Also, we have that you will be able to talk about the toy you use the most, your favorite toy, and describe its colors and shapes. So, first of all, I would like to have a little review about what you know about the verb to be. So, and does anybody have a clue what the verb to be is? No? Don't worry. I'll tell you. So, in very simple words, the verb to be is used to describe and define things. So, if you look at the camera right now, you will see that I have a sweater on. If I describe this sweater, I am going to say the sweater is green. So, I am using the verb to be, which is divided into am when I am referring to I. We have is and are, which are going to be the focus for today. So for is, we have that we're going to use is when we refer to one single object, like in the case of the sweater, as it's just one sweater. I'm going to say that the sweater is, do you know the color? It's green. So the sweater is green. Different from are, which will be used when we talk about multiple objects. So as I have two arms and two hands, I'm going to say, for example, that my arms are very long. So I am describing my arms, but I'm using are as I am referring to more than one element. Is it clear? Okay, guys. So we have here a little example. We have a very happy dog. Look at it. So we have the dog is happy. Different from the next example, which is going to be that the dogs are happy. If we count them, we will find that there are 6 dogs in total. So we have that as we are referring to more than one dog, the dogs are going to be happy. So let's go ahead to a different example. So as we have only one tree here, what would we use? We would use yes, correct, exactly. That's perfect. And do you know the color of the tree? It's green. Perfect. So we have also a little yellow over here, but it's mainly green. And then we would say that the tree is green. On the right part, we will find some trees. So we have more than one tree. We have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, we actually have 9. But yes, so 9 trees. What would we use in this case? Perfect. We would use are. So um, the trees are. What do you think the trees are? I think that the trees are big. So we would say the tree is green and the trees are big. Okay, guys, perfect. So for number two, for the second part of this review, um, I'm going to be asking you if you know the names of the shapes. Okay? So do you know what the name of this shape is? It's a square. Okay, yes, that's perfect. Perfect. So can you tell me what is the color of this square? It's orange. Yes, right. So we are going to say, please repeat after me. The square is orange. As we were talking about the trees, we are going to describe the square. So in this case, the square is orange. Okay, Can you tell me the name of this shape? Yes, it's a circle. So, do you know the color of the circle? It's red. Yes, correct. So we would say, repeat after me, the circle is red. So can you tell me the name of the shape? It's really similar to the square, but it's a little longer here. Yes, perfect. That's a rectangle. So can you guys tell me the color of this rectangle? It's green. Yes, perfect. So would you like to try to put it on the structure? Like the rectangle is green. Perfect, guys. That was perfect. So the rectangle is green. Can you tell me the name of this shape? It's a triangle. So the color of the triangle is blue. That's perfect, guys. And this one, it's a little harder here. So we have a pentagon. Yeah, no, it's okay, it's okay. This one is a little harder. So, do you know the color of this pentagon? Okay, perfect. That's yellow pentagon. So we have the pentagon is yellow. So we have here the square, the circle, a triangle, a rectangle, and the pentagon. Yes. So right now, what we are going to do is a small reading activity. You will be reading this small text that we have here. It's going to be describing a house, and after you read it, you're going to answer to a couple of questions. Okay? So take a look at it, and we will answer the questions. Okay. So the first question would be, what color is the house? It was yellow. Yes. So the second question is, what shape are the windows? They are a square. What color is the front door? It was red. What shape is the tree in the yard? It was a circle, yes. And number five, what is the shape of the rocks in the yard? They were a circle as well. So let's practice. Right now, with the rest of these images, we are going to find that in this case, for example, we have multiple books. So can you guess the missing word? In this case, it would be the books are yellow. Yes. Now, the car, as we are talking about only one, the car is red. Correct. So now we will move into shapes. So this ball is what is that? It's a square. So the table, here we will have a description of the shape and also a description of the color. So let's begin. This table is a rectangle and it is green. Perfect, guys. So for the next activity, I will need you to please make groups of two students and start talking about your favorite toy. I need you to describe it, which color is it, what shape does it have. So for example, in my case, my favorite toy is a football ball. It is a circle. The ball itself is white and it has um, red and blue triangles. So as you see in the picture, it's a circle, of course. It is mainly white and it has red and blue triangles. So I need you to please work on this. Okay, that was perfect, guys. So next we have the homework. What I need you to do is paint all these fruits regarding their actual color, their color in real life, and also to describe each one of them. So for example, we have here that a cherry in this case would be red. So we have, after you paint the cherry red, you're going to say the cherry is red. Or well, the cherries in this case, the cherries are red. Or the pear, if the pear is what colors appear, and yes, you go on.
For this self-assessment, I need you to please be very, very honest on, this couple questions. It will be about how much you learned today. And finally, well, we have the references. Thank you very much.